Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Today's video, I'm going to be trying to make these wheels look a little bit nicer by painting in like between the spokes. I'm going to paint them in black, so hopefully that'll make them look a bit nicer. Yeah, I've got some pretty good news. I'm going to be taking the Beamer to the track this Friday, so I'm getting ready now for it. I just decided, all right, there's a practice night on, so I may as well take the car down to the track and see if she'll do a skid. I'm pretty stoked for that, and I'll be trying to make a video, and it'll be my first time on track in 12 years, so I don't know, I want to like film my first run and see how rusty I am, or if I still can drift. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So anyway, I'm going to get these little skid wheels looking a bit better, and I don't know how many tyres I'm going to go through up at the track. It's just a Friday night practice, so you know, it'll be good if I use all my tyres up, or if I don't use enough, I don't know, depends how much I can bring up. But anyway, we'll make this video about getting these wheels painted. So I'm going to get the tyre off, and I'm actually going to probably do it on the tyre machine. So let's move over to the tyre machine, get those tyres off, and go from there. There's the tyre off, and I'm going to start with this one. Now, yeah, so as I was trying to explain, I'm going to paint this area around here, I think, and that should look like some little skinny spokes, and this will be black, so hopefully it'll look kind of cool. I've already cleaned the rim. I gained them, and I've wiped most of the dust off. They're going to be skid rims, so I'm not going to make this like professional, but I'll try and make them look reasonable. And I'm just going to put some of this tape I got on there, just a bit more of it. I'm going to put some of that on there, tape it off, and then scuff it a bit and paint it. Probably do 2 coats or so. Hopefully it looks alright. Let's get to it. If you can see that there, that's pretty much the area I'm going to be painting. So yeah, I'll just keep going. Alrighty, that's done, and that's looking good. So I think I got this old bit of scotchy looking scratchy stuff, and I'm just gonna scuff this up a little bit. I wiped them a little bit with a rag, and they look all ready to go. So this one's almost empty, but let's start getting the paint on, see what they look like. Rightio, I'll leave that for maybe a couple of hours, and I'll come back and I'll give it another coat. I've got the second coat done now, and it's been out in the sun drying. It's super hot outside, so time to reveal. Take the tape off, see what it looks like. I'm pretty stoked to try and see what it looks like. Well, not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now I think it's time to go and put a tyre on, fit it up, and see what it looks like on the car. So let's clamp her up. The rim's still really hot because it was outside in the sun. Alrighty, there she is. That's looking good with the tyre on it now. How about we go and see what that looks like on the back of the car? Yeah, my new skid rims, looking sharp. That wheel looks pretty cool on there. I've got a little spacer on there. I've got the pair of them painted up and fitted now, so that's pretty cool. And I can't wait for this Friday, so hopefully I'll get a chance to give these a skid. Be my first time at the track in 12 years, so I'm pretty nervous about that, but anyway, it's going to be awesome. I can't wait. Don't really know how to prepare for it because it's been such a long time, but I'm pretty excited and a bit nervous at the same time. So anyway, I'll end the video up there. If you like this, leave us a like or feel free to leave a comment and share it around if you want, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I'm going to be hitting the track soon. So yeah, I can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.